The debate over stacking draw cards in Uno continues, despite official rules stating it's not allowed. Many players, however, still enjoy the strategy of stacking draw 2s and draw 4s to increase the game's intensity, often forcing opponents to draw multiple cards. While stacking draw 2s on draw 2s and draw 4s on draw 4s is common, players cannot stack draw 2s onto wild draw 4s or vice versa. For the most intense play, stacking any draw card is an option, which can lead to players drawing 12 or more cards. Before starting, it's essential to set ground rules for gameplay, as the objective is to reach 500 points by being the first to run out of cards in each round. The game consists of 112 cards, each with different point values, and players must match their cards to the discard pile or draw from the draw pile if they cannot play. Wild cards can change the game's color, while action cards like skip and reverse can disrupt opponents' plays. Lastly, don't forget to say Uno when down to one card, or risk drawing 4 additional cards if caught.